How to connect Instagram account to Whop. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for whop.com and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and tap on the sign in button and enter your login credentials and further sign yourself in to Whop. Once signed in, tap on your profile option you see there at the bottom left. Once tapped on it, you will see the option for connected accounts. Tap on that and then tap on the Instagram option you see there. Now go ahead and open Instagram simultaneously in another tab and go to your Instagram profile. Once you're in your Instagram profile, tap on the URL on top of your screen and copy the URL, and further go back to Whop and paste the username that you just copied in here. Once you have pasted the URL, tap on the add button and you will then be required to follow the prompts shown on the screen. So firstly, go ahead and copy the verification code shown on the screen and then go to your Instagram profile again, and now tap on the edit profile option and then go to your bio or description tab and further verify the ownership of your account by copying and pasting the 6-digit code that you just copied. Once you've pasted the 6-digit code in Instagram, go back to Whop and tap on the verify button, and with this, your verification will be done. So this is how you can connect Instagram account to Whop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.